Temperature scales. Two scales are commonly used for measuring temperature. For the temperature measure, namely the Fahrenheit, and the Celsius. The Celsius scales are formally called the centigrade also. Grade, but is now designated the Celsius scale after Andreas Celsius. The Swedish astronomer who observed this scale, devised this scale. The Fahrenheit temperature scale is used with the English engineering system for the British and US customary. We use Fahrenheit. Is used with the English system and units of the Celsius scale. For the SI system we use Celsius. Until 1954, both of these scales were based on two fixed, easily duplicated points, the ice point and the steam point. Ice point and steam point. The temperature of the ice point is defined as the temperature of a mixture of ice and water that is in equilibrium with a standard air at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. The temperature of a steam point is the temperature of water and steam which are in equilibrium at a pressure also at 1 atmosphere. On the Fahrenheit scale, these 2 points are assigned the number 32 and Fahrenheit, ice point, and the steam point 212 respectively. And on the Celsius scale we have the ice point of 0, and the steam point 100 respectively. Why Fahrenheit choose those numbers is an interesting story. In searching for an easily reproducible point, Fahrenheit selected the temperature of the human body and assigned it the number 96. He assigned the number 0 to the measure of the smelting mixture of the salt, ice, and salt solution. On this scale, the ice point was approximately 32. When this scale was slightly revised and fixed in terms of the ice point and the steam point, the normal temperature of human body was found at human body normal temperature Fahrenheit. In this book, the symbol Fahrenheit is F degree and Celsius is C degree. We denoted the Fahrenheit and Celsius scale respectively. The Celsius scale symbol includes the degree symbol since the letter C alone denotes coulomb, the unit of electrical change in SI. Units the symbol T will be referred to temperature on all temperature scales. At the 10th of CGPM in 1954, the Celsius scale was redefined in terms of the single fixed point at the ideal gas temperature scale. The single fixed point is the triple point of water let me write the single fixed point, also we're used to fixed point, which is the point where ice, water, and vapor phase of water exist together at equilibrium. The magnitude of the degree is defined in terms of ideal gas temperature scale, which is discussed in Chapter 7. The essential features of this new scale are a single fixed point and a definition of the magnitude of the degree. The triple point of the water is assigned the value of about 100 Celsius. On this scale, the steam is approximately found to 100 Celsius. Thus, there is essential agreement between the old and new temperature scales. We have not yet considered an absolute scale of temperature. The possibility of such a scale comes from the second law of thermodynamics, the absolute temperature comes from the second law and is discussed in the Chapter 7. On the basis of the second law of thermodynamics, a temperature scale that is independent of any thermometric substance can be defined. This absolute scale is usually referred to as the thermodynamic scale of temperature. However, it is difficult to use this scale directly. Therefore, a more practical scale, the International Temperature Scale, which closely represents the thermodynamic scale, has been adopted. The absolute scale related to the Celsius scale is Kelvin. The absolute scale related to Celsius scale is Kelvin. Related to Celsius is Kelvin. One Kelvin is plus and the absolute scale related to Fahrenheit is Rankine. Then Rankine equals to F Fahrenheit plus a number of empirically based temperature scale to the standard temperature measurement and calibration have been used during the past 7 years, and these are the most used temperature scales in the thermodynamics. The next section is the engineering application of pressure and thermodynamic processes.